Let's learn Loco de Amor. It's choreographed by Alexis Strong and myself, Michelle Wright. It is a 32 count, 4-wall beginner level line dance with a restart on wall 5 after 28 counts with a step change. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about the restart, and then we're going to go through and dance 6 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Loco de Amor. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a basic to the right and the left. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side, step your left next to your right, step your right foot to the right side, and touch your left next to your right. We're now going to step our left foot to the left side, step your right next to your left, step your left foot to the left side, and touch your right next to your left. Now the styling that you can do for that section, when you step, you're going to push your hip in that direction. So when we step to the right, your hip's going to go right. When we step together, it's going to go left, step right. And when you touch, you can kind of bump that hip into the diagonal. Same thing to the left, your hip will go left, right, left, touch, and bump. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to rock back with our right foot, recover onto your left, step your right foot forward, and touch your left next to your right. We're now going to rock back with our left foot, recover forward on our right, step forward with your left, and touch your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, rocking back with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do hip sways that make a quarter turn. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to sway your hip right, left, and as we sway back to the right, you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot and touch your left next to your right. You're now facing 3 o'clock. We're now going to step our left foot to the left side. We're going to sway left, right, left, touch. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, swaying and stepping to the right. 1, 2, 3, turn 4, 5, 6, 7, touch 8. When you do that turn, you want to make sure that you're turning on your right foot and then just touching your left. We're not stepping to the side. Just keep your right foot right where it is and just turn that quarter turn. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. Weight is on your left foot. You're facing 3 o'clock. We're going to do a box step. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to step your left next to your right, taking weight onto your left foot. Step back with your right and touch your left next to your right. We're now going to step our left foot to the left side. Step your right next to your left, taking weight onto your right foot. Step forward with your left and touch your right next to your left. And that is the end of the dance. And then you're ready to start all over with your basic to the side. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, just like in the first section, if you would kind of like want to wiggle your hips back and forth as you do those steps, you can sway as you do your steps with each side, if you would like, and bump on your touches, just like you did in the first section. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left, doing your basic to the right. So it's side, together, side, touch, side, together, side, touch, rock back, recover, step forward, touch, rock back, recover, step forward, touch, sway, 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 quarter turn, sway, 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 touch, side, together, back, touch, side, together, forward, touch. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, turn 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restart. The restart's going to happen on wall 5. You will dance the whole dance up to count 27 like you normally would. So let's dance up to count 27, which is your side together back of the first half of your box step. So weight is on your left, would be facing 12 o'clock for wall 5. You're going to do your basic to both sides. So it's side together, side, touch, side together, side, touch, rock back, recover, step forward, touch, rock back, recover, step forward, touch, sway right, left, right, quarter turn, sway, 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 touch, side together, back. Now right here, to restart the dance, doing your basic to the right, all we're going to do is step our left next to our right, taking weight onto our left foot, and then start the dance over again. So you're replacing your touch with a step so that you can go into your basic with your side together, side touch, side together, side touch. And that is the only restart in the whole dance, is doing that step together, ready to start over again. And you can hear it coming. For that whole wall, it is going to sound slightly different, so you'll have a little bit of a warning. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 6 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from that restart into the next wall. Weight is on your left, starting with your basic to the right. It's side together, side touch, side together, side touch, rock back, recover, step forward, touch, rock back, recover, step forward, touch, sway right, left, right, quarter turn, sway, 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 touch, side together, back, touch, side together, forward, touch, basic, 1, 2, 3, touch, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, side together, side touch, side together, side touch, rock back, recover, step forward, touch, rock back, recover, step forward, touch, sway, 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 quarter turn, sway, 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 touch, side together, back, touch, side together, forward, touch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, turn 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to dance 27 counts and then add your step together for 28. So it's side together, side touch, side together, side touch, rock back, recover, step forward, touch, rock back, recover, step forward, touch, sway right, left, right, quarter turn, sway, 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 touch, side together, back together, restart. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Loco de Amor. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.